Okay, so today we're going to go over Unity Learn Karting Microgame, URP. I really, really liked it. I enjoyed it. I downloaded it, and we're going to go over certain parts of it. It looks like it's only in URP. So if you want to add additional assets to the game, you want to make sure that they are URP. The materials. Okay, so let's see what the comments are. And it looks like it has really good comments. Let's go to the 3-star. It says the learning part for this, oh, they didn't like it. Besides the fact that most stuff has got other names or directories now, even essential stuff got removed, etc. So basically not worth it. Still fun to play around with. Okay. Lots of good bits of fun elements to allow you to get grips of Unity fairly easy. However, I found issues where the lap detectors did not work correctly the first time. And let's look at the positive comments. It says good. Was able to work with these assets right away. Solid support for learning the ropes. I like this game, but I want power-ups, item boxes in the game. But can you upgrade? It says good game. China is number one, it says. A year ago, nice app. 3 years ago. It's an ideal game to start your learning journey. Okay, so that is what we had from the end users that downloaded it. Let me hit save here. So what I'm going to do, since I already downloaded, I still want to show you how to access it. You go to Windows, you go to Package Manager, and you can type in cart, and the Unity Learn Karting Microgame will come up, and it says URP shading. And you just click the download button, and then you click on import to import the asset. Okay, so once it's downloaded, I didn't receive any error messages it started. That I see one that I think it's like something about a mesh combined or something, but honestly, I could play it, so it wasn't anything that was detrimental. So let's see here. We're going to go over, so here it is karting, and I'm going to go down to scenes, and I'm going to double click on the main scene. And you'll see on the top left hand corner it says main scene, so you know you opened it. Now I'm going to click on the ellipse in the upper right hand corner. I'm going to click on maximize, and then I'm going to click the play button at the top at the center of the screen. And let's see what this does. 3, 2, 1, go. Okay. Oh, good. All objectives completed. So it's gonna stop. Great. So I did there. It says you win. Do you want to play again? No. So now what I wanted to do, I was like, You know what? It'd be kind of fun if, see, and it says current, the time, and the best lap, and it keeps your score, which is great. It saves it. So what I was thinking, I was like, well, what would happen if I just kind of change the background a little bit? So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go to File, open a recent scene, and I must have called it example. Okay, so I had created a brand new scene. I just wanted to try something different. And if you wanted to do the same, you would open up that main scene, and then you go to File, Save it as something different, and then you could just play around with it and change the background. So that's what I did. Let me go ahead and maximize the game size. I'm going to maximize it, and let's see how it looks a little bit different now. 2, 1, go! The fireflies. I wanted, I wanted to see the ocean. Uh-oh. I better hurry up and get to a checkpoint so I can reset my time. Uh-oh, I'm gonna run out of time. I hope not. Okay, let's go through here. It's a nice sun. Oh no. I don't think I'm gonna make it. Oh no, 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 no. Hold on. All I have to do is go through this mountain. No. Oh, good. It let me cheat a little bit. No, it didn't. Oh, it didn't let me cheat. Oh, you lose. Okay. I tell you what, let me play one. I'm going to cheat a little bit because I want you to see the end part. Hold on. Hold on. Okay, so how do you cheat? This I'm going to show you how to cheat. Okay, so that very first one is the laps. This is the checkpoint. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to click on Inspector. And on that particular checkpoint, it has the length of time gained. So once you go through that checkpoint, it gives you, well, originally, originally the time was like only like, I think like 5 seconds. So of course I cheated and I made it more than that. Let me see. This is checkpoint 2. I'm gonna make it. What do y'all think? I'm just gonna like, I don't know, do something like 90. And of course, do not do this at home. Okay, this is checkpoint. That's 40. I put that on there. That's checkpoint 40. Checkpoint 1. I put 10. Let me make that 30 because I really want to show you all this. Okay, I think I cheated pretty good. All right, let me save it. Okay, you all didn't see that. We're just gonna pretend that I'm like really good. I'm going through this like in less than 60 seconds. 2, 1, da! It still looks like it didn't do it. Like it still started at 60. It's not. Ah! Ooh, I like that time. Come on. This on here, you can do so many things. You can add a lot of obstacles. Oh no. Hold on. Try to concentrate a little bit. This is why I had to shake. Ah! Oh, good. We got 50 more seconds added to our score. Okay, this is not. He's not supposed to. Okay, hold up. Oh, come on. I really want to show you all this. Okay, he's going through. Ah! Oh, sorry. Scared me. Okay. Okay. I think we can make it. Come on, come on, go, 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 go. Uh oh. Oh, shoot. Oh, good. Okay, we'll make it. Woo! Okay, I feel better. Like the worst driver, right? Yay, I made it! Woo! Wow, that was scary. I almost lost even when I was cheating. Okay, well, this was a really good. I'll tell you why I really like this. I mean, they're giving some really good Unity games out. I mean, this is what I want to show you. I'm going to go up a little bit. And we're going to go to here. It says collect all the checkpoints. It has 4. And then you can hit tab to pause. It's already all programmed for you. And the thing about it is I really like this because all you have to do, if you want to add another little checkpoint to it, you can just duplicate it, automatically. So let me go ahead and duplicate it. So now I got checkpoint 4. And let me just put it like that. And of course, I'm going to put like 10. And so now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And if I hit play, it will automatically pick up that I have 5. They programmed this so well for you, for all of us. It's amazing. 2, 1, go. And there it is. It changed that to 5. It's 0 out of 5 for the checkpoints. So this was amazing. I really, really liked it. And I just wanted to change it to a nice ocean scene. Nice little vacation. But I think I'm going to do another video on this probably next week. I really, really like this one. I can really go a lot of places with this and can show you some more Unity. Well, anyway, I hope everyone has a great day and really enjoy this. Also, you can also go to Unity Learn, and Unity Learn can go through some of the code with you that's already programmed for you so you can understand the game even more. All right, well, everybody have a good day and happy coding.